Hello everyone. Today I will be walking you through how to create custom queues. Over here on the left hand side you will see my navigation bar where the custom queues are displayed. I also have some default queues that you start out with in your account. The first one that's being displayed here is showing all of my tickets under a pending behavior. So you will see here in the middle portion every single ticket that falls under that criteria. But you also see I have a list of other queues that I can select from. Now, these other queues match another type of criteria of ticket. That's what essentially queues are used for. They're specific views that match a criteria of ticket that you can publish and make available to other agents of the platform. Some examples that I can walk you through. I've created a queue here for an assignee, meaning I can look at all of Fraser's tickets. If that is something I'm interested in doing, if I want to see his workload, this is a queue that I've designed so I can basically look at all of his workload for the day. Another queue that I can take a look at follows a different criteria. Now this one follows a priority. So this is another example of a view that you can select that essentially helps you navigate to a certain priority of ticket, this one being critical. Not only that, I'm also able to see how many current tickets exist in that queue itself. So here it lets me know I still have 13 pending tickets there. Now, in order to create a custom queue, you'll see up here, right next to where it says queues, I'm going to have this plus button. I'm going to go ahead and hit that, which will bring up this create queue pane. Now, I have two options here. I can either use the match all or the match any conditions. Now, in this case, I want all the criteria to match, so I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Now, I'm going to use two different items here, but you can see there are a list of and a variety here of different criteria that you can use, such as priorities, contact groups, due dates. If you want to use any type of custom field that you might have created in your account, you can use that as well. Now, what I'll go ahead and do in this use case, I'm going to go ahead and see status here is open. So we're going to go ahead and use that criteria to see all open tickets. But not only am I interested in that, I also want to see a certain priority. So let's go ahead and select priority is, we'll go ahead and say in this case, high. So now what I'm going to see is all tickets that are under an open status, but also have a certain priority involved, which is high. Now you can also preview that in the case that you would like to see what that looks like before you actually publish that queue. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Everything looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and rename that queue as open high priority tickets. So that will be the name of the queue now. And not only can I give access to myself, but I can also give access to certain staff if I wish. What I'm going to go ahead and do in this case is just give access to everyone so everyone is able to access that queue. Now once I hit save, you'll see that's been added over to the left hand side in the navigation bar there, open high priority tickets. And now I'm able to pinpoint exactly and filter by those type of tickets themselves and go about doing my daily work with that design queue there.